Hey y'all, it's me Marty. Welcome to another video. And happy Monday. It is Monday, September 16th, 2024. Tomorrow's my birthday, by the way. So I'm just saying, it's not too late. I'm kidding. It's another day. Anyway, I am done for the day and hadn't made a video for today yet. And I just thought I'd do a little ramble here. And I don't know if I'll see anything or I need a little exercise and fresh air. And sometimes can't go for a big hike or a big adventure, but you can do a little bit. Like I always say, do what you can every day, you know, and make the most of every day. And so I'm just going to go for a little ramble here. I am at I'm at the Underwood, Iowa rest area on I-80. What is it? Exit 19 eastbound on I-80, just into Iowa. Was driving across Nebraska all day. So anyway, done for the day. It's kind of hot. About 92 degrees, but actually in the shade it doesn't feel too bad, and there's a little breeze. There's not really a woods area. I mean, a little bit of a woods here, and it looks like actually a trail. I doubt it goes anywhere, but I'm just gonna ramble around a little bit. I'm glad there's a breeze, or otherwise the bugs would be bad. I did spray for bugs, but again, I don't like summer, I don't like the heat and the bugs and everything, but fall is on the way. And anyway, yeah, we'll go for a little ramble here and take you along with me. So yeah, it's a rest area. I'm parked over there. A lot of times rest areas are, you know, there's not a whole lot you can do. Some of them there's nothing you can do, but some of them actually have some sidewalks, picnic tables. Actually, there's some grills at this one. And there's a little bit of a woodsy area here. And I noticed there's a little trail, so I'll see if it goes anywhere. There's a nice breeze, which I'm glad for. Let's take a little ramble here. Boy, lots of down trees and branches here. Nice for a campfire. Okay, it kind of ends here. Well, maybe not. Yeah, I don't like walking through growth, but it does continue. It can't go very far because I think there's houses right across the way here. What is this? Okay. Well, that's kind of creepy. It just kind of ends here, and yeah. Jeez. And the trees kind of, but then there's a farm field of corn on the other side there, but oh, anyway. I think we'll go back. They attempted to make a trail, but it doesn't really go anywhere. Now I'll just walk along the woods here and just, I don't know, see if I can see any flowers or mushrooms or critters or anything. Sometimes you just gotta really go slow and really look close, and you can see stuff. Oh, butterfly. Hey, butterfly. Oh, there's two butterflies. There's three butterflies. They're just kind of butterflying around. Kinds of different trees, bushes. I feel like I got bugs crawling on me just from walking in that little area. Can hear crickets and bugs, and oh, there's a butterfly again. There's a leaf hanging from a tree. Obviously, it's in a spider web. Yeah. That's what I always say, y'all. Just do what you can, you know. Go for a walk in your backyard, you know. Go for a walk in the town or city park or county park, or if you have some state parks or national parks. Ooh, these are pretty flowers. Try to get them in the sunlight without my shadow. Oh yeah, or if you just got a woods you can ramble in, or do what you can when you can, wherever you are in life, wherever God has you. Oh, look, another little trail here. I have these little trails, but they don't really go anywhere. There's some cut up logs here. Oh, there's some big gnarly trees here. Looks like maple trees. Pretty. Yeah, and then there's just fields here. It's just nice to get out of the truck. You know, I'll probably kick back for the evening and make dinner and probably watch a movie. Do some reading. Actually, I'm going to work on a couple fire cans. Couple DIY wood stoves. I got a couple ideas. Nothing new, but it's new for me, so I'm gonna try to make an ultimate DIY wood stove, and that might be my video tomorrow, or who knows, maybe later tonight. Oh, I wish I could get that butterfly on video. Where'd he go? Oh. It's okay, you don't gotta fly away. But yeah, I'm gonna make a couple other DIY little projects and different things in the truck. Oh, there's another one. There's a lot of butterflies. There's a ton of butterflies. Look at them. There's 3 of them there. No, there's another one. Okay, stop. Just land for a second. Just land for a second. Okay. Oh, he's gonna land. Oh, there's 2 of them there. Look, can you see them? No, you probably can't see them. I can't zoom in quick enough and close enough to capture them. Yeah, a little warm. A lot of warm, but still a beautiful day the Lord's made. Oh, look at the butterflies. They're all over here. There's like, okay, land. Okay, I see this one. Can I zoom in on him? Can I? Without, there he is. I got him. Look at that. Is that a monarch? I don't know. And a pretty little butterfly. Something's falling on my head. I hope it wasn't bird poop. Is that neat? Technically, I think they are a bug, but they're beautiful. Kind of like ladybugs. They don't bother me either. Whoa, I'm trying to walk closer and keep it in the frame. That's cool. That's worth the video right there. I'm just walking along the woods here and looking, enjoying. There's that little path that led to nowhere. All kinds of branches. I don't know if that's a storm or they've just been trimming trees. All kinds of different trees and bushes and foliage. Is it foliage or foliage? I don't know. Birds and bugs and butterflies, pretty butterflies. Oh, there's one. There's another one. There's another one. Oh, yeah. Oh, where are you going? Oh. Where'd he go? Oh, he's right there. Isn't that beautiful? Beautiful butterflies. There's tons of them around here. All kinds of pretty butterflies. Look at, they're all over. It's like Monarchville. Good night. I think they're monarchs. Not really up on my butterfly identification. Look at, there's 3 right there. There's tons of them. I don't know if you can see these, but yeah, there's tons. I've never seen so many butterflies. Beautiful, beautiful butterflies. Oh, another interesting little plant there. Almost looks like a little clearing in there. You know, yeah, in the summer I don't like to go in the woods too much at all. I don't like the heat and the bugs and all the spider webs and everything. Yeah, look at another little trail clearing here. But I love fall and winter and even spring. This is pretty. You know, when you can, I'll just walk randomly into the woods anywhere because there isn't no bugs and critters. And this is kind of another little trail that leads to nowhere, but it's a little clearing in here, and it's nice that there's a breeze. I wouldn't be in here if there wasn't a breeze. Neat little trail here. Another trail to nowhere. It doesn't. I don't know if they meant to make these trails, or maybe they're just some kind of game trail. That could be. But they don't go anywhere. I mean, look at this. There's a barbed wire fence here now, and some farm fields, and that's beautiful too. Okay. The thing's crawling on me. Oh, it is nice in here in the shade though. The breeze. Gosh. I'm tempted to bring my hammock and hang it up right here. Just hang out. Oh, I need some hammock time. Hopefully I'll get home tomorrow. We'll see. My delivery was supposed to be in Minnesota 11 a.m. this morning, but I knew when I got loaded in Turtle Rock, California, that I didn't have enough hours to get there. I was a few hours short, so they rescheduled it for Wednesday morning. So that's a bummer. So I'll probably be sitting in my truck in the cities, like north of Minneapolis, for my birthday tomorrow. But there is a chance they'll unload me tomorrow. They could sneak me in. Otherwise I'll get unloaded Wednesday and then get home and be home for the rest of the week anyway. So yeah, lots of downed trees in here. Get some hammock time in at home and time with my wife. And, oh. But yeah, it's kind of wandering along the edge of the woods here. Lots of pretty butterflies. Look at, they're all over. They're just, that's so neat. I mean, butterflies usually, you know, you see one once in a while, but when they're all over here, there's probably hundreds of them. Kind of common to the end of the rest of the area here. Yeah, I think they just kind of trim trees and then they drop them wherever. A lot of good firewood there, and carving wood and whittling wood, but yeah. Anywho, mosey back on over to my truck. I don't know why I said it like that. Mosey on over to my truck. Well, I am a country hick now, don't you know? Yeah, sure. Anywho. Okay, it's getting a little warm out here, but that was a nice little ramble. I mean, Well, didn't see much, but seen some beautiful butterflies. A little fresh air and exercise, and yeah, do what you can wherever you're at, whatever's going on, and make the most of every moment of life and just live fully alive. That's my mantra. Anyway, go get in the truck where it's cool, make some dinner, kick back for the evening. Yeah. Anyway, hope you're all doing well. And yeah, we'll see you on the next video. If you like this, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you like my channel. Watch my other videos and all that stuff. We'll see you next time.